mà tu lên mà cô lệ bài tê thì mà ta in lê bồ tê sa phong ni khu đi lâu bì ở tê à cầm đi bốn cha nắp bồ tê à tê à cầm đi bốn cha đi pa in lê bồ tê đi pa số bất kỳ để tin kỹ ta tiếp số mãi đây sẽ đến đây một đêm chắc có để tin kỹ ta thân nó mình số mãi đây sẽ đến đây một đêm Sophie là một hiện trong ta hay
Akai lo pida dingin bolun atin ti chugial to ingotin Sapa chun do all things to the glory of God atihin ti won ho jo chi pathin lo pina ai thin na dingin pathin hi taw na ne kati taw te har cham kim ka paw pathin
Thank you everyone. Let us all be seated.
Kuki Chavang Kut ga benuhite. Good slogan to ega say pileo pamte. Thank you. Kuki Chavang ga to kitaute. Now we Lower Songpijang Cultural Troupe Pochu, Kigosa Demin and the umlou Jun Pante.
The Fulkon La, displayed before us, depicts the migratory route of Noimang. Both men and women dressed in colorful costumes, distinctive headgears, and unique beads forming different parallel lines of men and women perform this dance. Men jump profusely, clearing the weeds that comes their way, while women pick up the weeds cut down by the men and throw it away. In the middle, Pusongtu, brandishing his sword and occasionally beat an idiophone, command his kinsmen to press on till they reach their destination. The two male leaders shout aloud to wane away the evil spirit that may come their way, while women dancers are known for their graceful and sophisticated dance style.
इस गांव का गांव बुरा मिस्टर एल गुइते जी इस फेस्टिवल का चीफ होस्ट
Parts theirs at right angles and so in alternately in varying time. The dancer has to skip from the spaces formed by the closing bamboos into those formed by the parting bamboos in time to the singing and with enough agility to save his or her ankles from severe confusion.